Hello my YouTube friends, Democles Rocha here with you, and today we present a division. Today we will divide
2,487
by
14.
we will find actually the quotient and the... Come on my friend, what do we find?
What's quotient?
He doesn't even know what quotient...
What's quotient?
Raise your hand if you know the answer. The quotient and the...
Result?
Give it to him, give it to her, I mean.
Result.
She doesn't know either.
The answer.
Not it. Well, sometimes. Pretend we want to divide 11 by 2. Okay? The quotient is 5, and what is the other thing? What is the... No, what is... No.
Your fingers.
What is the leftover?
Reminder.
Almost. He got it. Yay!
Okay, will you let this in the video? Yes.
I might. So, we are going to find the quotient and the...
Remainder.
That's it. Okay, here you see the dividend. What is the dividend again?
2,487.
Great. What is the divisor?
14.
And again, we are looking for the
Quotient
and the...
remainder.
No Portuguese allowed. Okay, can we start with these two here?
No.
Because it's less than.
14.
Can we start with 24?
Yes.
Great. Don't move along. You wait a moment, okay? What number from 0 to 9 do we multiply by 14 to get almost 24? Also, before you say anything, how do you ask that question? I would like to see how she asked the question. How do you ask the question? How many times?
How many times does 14 go into 24?
1.
But would you say one or once? It's only?
Once.
Only once. Okay. My friend Leonardo, and I think I should have introduced you guys, don't you think?
Yeah. Let's start over.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
You will just
Before we do anything else, who are you?
Leonardo. Lucas. Erica.
Bia, Maria,
Luisa.
and we are the best.
Yes.
Okay, Leonardo, what is 1 times 14, man?
14.
So 1 goes here, above the 4. Since 1 times 14 equals 14, I write it here, below 24. What do I do next, my friend Luca? What kind of operation is this, my friend?
Subtract.
Great. And Lucas, what is 24 minus 14?
10.
So I write it here. And what do I do next, Erica?
Bring down the 8.
I bring down the 8. When I do so, what number do I see?
108.
Okay, now we have 108. And we have to think about what?
How many times 14 goes into 108?
What do you think?
Absolutely no idea.
But maybe my friend Luisa can guess. How many times does 14 go into 108? What do you think? You can guess, we can check, okay? We can guess and check.
I don't have capacity to
You
give
do.
my opinion.
You do.
Okay.
Just guess.
I would say 8.
8 times? Okay, we check with my friend Leonardo. He doesn't have any trouble multiplying 8 times 14. Do you have any trouble doing that, my friend?
Maybe.
But he is very good because he practices every day and
Practice makes perfect.
okay, man. What is 8 times 4?
32.
So I write 2 here and 3 goes up here. What is 8 times 1?
8.
Plus 3?
11.
Great. So what is 8 times 14?
112.
So my friend, we were looking for the number of times in which 14 goes into 108. Leonardo just saw that 8 times 14 give us 112. Is 8 good enough? Is 8 the number we are looking for? There's a word for that. What word? What's the word?
No.
Okay, no. 8 is too much. So I am pretty sure that Lucas will give us the number. What is the number we are looking for?
7.
So we multiply together. Don't move along just now. Wait a moment. Okay. He is pretty sure that the number we are looking for is 7. What do we do? Now we multiply, right? Can we do that? Can we do that together? Can you help me, my friend? I know you already know the answer, don't you? You probably do. You're really fast. But we are here to help the others, right? They might have some trouble doing this. So we are here to help. What is 7 times 4?
28.
I write 8 here and the 2 goes up here. What is 7 times 1?
7.
Plus 2?
9.
9. So what's the result?
98.
98. Okay, Erica, how many times does 14 go into 108?
7.
So I write 7 here. 7 times 14, as we saw, is 108. Thank you, my friend. That's something that I will probably cut. I won't let something that makes me look bad in the video. I won't do that. I won't. Because when you look bad, it's funny. When I look bad, it's just me looking bad. I gotta practice a little more. Yeah, you're right.
Hola, hola, pessoal. Hola, hola, hola.
Okay. None of the few seconds ago ever happened. Since 7 times 14 equals 98, of course, I write 98 here below 108. And then what do we do next? What do we do next?
We subtract.
And what is 108 minus 98? Can you tell me? What is it then?
It's 10.
It's 10. Great. You are great, Erica. Bia, after a subtraction, what do I do?
You bring down the 7.
I bring down the next digit, which is?
7.
What number do we have now?
107.
Okay. Maria, it always comes to you. Enunciating, pronouncing, saying, asking. It always comes to you a chance to ask the question. What's the question?
How many times does 14 go into 107?
And now I'm pretty sure Luisa will have no trouble answering that.
7.
Great, because you saw that 7 times 14 equals?
98.
So I write it here. Since 7 times 14 equals 98, I write it here. And then I want to see, will my friend Leonardo be able to answer that? What is 107 minus 98?
9.
9, because you're good. You're good, man. You are. Luca, are there any more digits to bring down? Do you see digits here?
No.
What does that mean? What is 177?
No, it's the quotient.
Yes, it's the quotient, man. I will ask again. What is 177 then?
The quotient.
And what is 9?
It's a remainder.
Great, great. Do you still remember how we write the answer? We write it like this.
No.
177 is the quotient. And then you put a little r here, right? Because you will write the remainder, right? And it is 9.
9.
Ha! Do you remember how we check to see if our division went okay? Do you remember? What do we do?
No.
No?
No.
Do you remember how we check if the division is okay?
Yes.
So tell me.
You multiply 14 by 177 to see if you get the correct answer.
Almost there.
Yes. You need
But
the
what
9.
should you do next after the multiplication?
Add 9.
Yes, you should add the remainder, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's multiply and add to check our answer. And to continue, I will use the help of my friend. With the help of my friend Luisa, we continue. We multiply 14 times 177. Okay, Luisa, are you ready? Are you? I hope you are.
Yes.
Okay, I multiply by 4 with your help. What is 4 times 7?
28.
So I write 8 here, and the 2 goes up here. What is 4 times 7?
28.
Plus 2.
30.
I write 0 here and 3 up here. What is 4 times 1?
4.
Plus 3.
7.
Great. I write it here and we move along to my friend Leonardo. It's your turn, Leonardo. It's very hard, but I know you can do it. What is 1 times 7?
7.
I write it here. What is 1 times 7?
7.
I write it here. And what is 1 times 1?
1.
You are very good at multiplication. I can see that. We move along now. Okay. Who's next? Haha, it's you. And I do this addition with you and with you only. Okay. Here we have only.
8.
So I write it here. What is 0 plus 7?
7.
I write it here. And what is 7 plus 7?
14.
I write 4 here, and the 1 goes up here. What is 1 plus 1?
2.
I write it here, and we move along. Okay, now we have multiplied 14 times 177, right? What should we do next?
Add 9.
So let's do it. I will add 9 here. What is 9 in that division? Can you tell me?
The remainder.
The remainder. So let's add the remainder. What is 8 plus 9?
17.
I write 7 here, and the 1 goes up here. What is 1 plus 7?
8.
I write it here. Here we only have,
4.
and here we only have,
2.
and now you're supposed to say, Mister, it's great! We really got the right result. Say it.
Mister, that's great. We really got the right result.
And what is that?
200.
Whoops. What is that?
2,487. Because whenever someone does it,
And the numbers were the answer. Mister, your answers were always blue, and then on this one is black.
It was supposed to be black this time.
Ah, tá. Continuation of Jovem Pan.
Okay, so what did we finally find? What's the number?
2,487.
And what does that mean?
we were correct.
Great!
Yay!
Okay, now it's not over, not over, not bye. Don't say bye. We are almost over. In what kind of situation would we divide 2,487 by 14 and find the quotient and remainder? Can you think of a situation in which that division would be useful?
When you're at a party and you have a lot of docinhos and you
Now,
have
what are
to...
those things in English?
When you're at a party and there's a lot of candies, but there's 14 people, but you have to divide them equally. And then the
Okay.
rest goes to you.
Oh, so each person would receive 177,
Yes,
Candy?
and who gets more.
and there would be a leftover of 9. Okay, that's correct. But I don't think that's very healthy. It's your turn, your chance.
When you're doing a test and you need to get a good grade. Thank you very much.
Okay, solving that division would be helpful in a test too. Can you come up with a situation?
When you have a lot of rocks and then people want your rock.
Okay, how many people?
14 people.
How many rocks each one receives?
177.
Are there any rocks left?
Yes, to me.
No? What?
9 rocks to me.
I don't understand that.
9 rocks to me.
Okay. Because you are not one of the 14 people, right? I like this situation.
More 9 rocks to me, I said.
Okay, I got it. And now I got it. Imagine there are 2,487 books, and you want to divide them equally among 14 schools. Each school receives 177 books, and there are 9 books left over, because you cannot divide equally 9 books among 14 schools, right?
Divide the book in half, maybe.
No, you won't do that. Lucas, you want to say something?
9 left books are for your children.
Okay, I can take them home
Or you don't
and enjoy your playground time. I will see you on Monday. Great!
Yeah!